Think bricks make your house strong. It's actually the steel inside that does the heavy lifting. Let's dive into 5 cool facts about TMT bars that every home builder should know. First, TMT stands for thermomechanical treatment. This special process gives these bars super strength and flexibility. Second, they're strong on the outside and flexible inside, so your structure stands tall even when nature throws a tantrum. Third, thanks to low carbon content, TMT bars are easy to weld. No fancy equipment needed, just a regular electrode does the trick. Fourth, these bars are built to battle earthquakes and resist corrosion, so your home stays safe and sturdy for years. And finally, with India's construction boom, picking top quality TMT bars is more than just smart. It's an investment in your family's safety. So, next time you start building, remember, TMT bars are the real backbone of your dream home.